Namaskar. My name is Gitu Kashyap. I live in Guwahati, Assam, and I am 24 years old. My height is 5 feet 2 inches. I can speak English. मुझे हिंदी बोलना भी आता है और मैं असमिया भाषाओं ক'ব পাৰো. My hobbies are acting, directing, watching movies, reading interesting books, listening music, traveling, graphic designing, and doing martial arts. Here's my profile. Since I am a trained actor, I have been working from the last 1 year with Jirsong Theatre. I have acted in many plays from my school days and college. I have done many plays like Ahar Maharedi, Ahar, Adhe Adhure, Macbeth, Rupali, etc. I work as an assistant director and set designer in the plays that I have acted in. I wrote screenplays for my 2 very own short movies. I have learned martial arts like Shotokan Karate, Tai Chi, Kung Fu, Wushu, kickboxing, etc. And I have 5 years experience in graphic designing. Here's my phone number 9101439010. Thank you. ধন্যবাদ.